American angler, you're up with the sun, with the fish on your line. Your day's just begun. American angler, on lake, sea, and stream, you're living the good life. Catch the one of your dreams. You're reeling him in with your back to the wind. No, they'll never believe this back home. American angler, the thrill's all your own.
Hi, and welcome to Costa Rica. I'm Traynor, and this is the American Angler. Today we're coming to you from one of our favorite locations, Guanamar. And I've got with me today my old fishing buddy from Chandler, Arizona, John Fuchs. Well, what do you think, John?
I am unbelievably excited about being back here. These fish are unbelievably beautiful.
You know, I'm going to make a blue water fisherman out of you yet.
Yeah.
You know, John's an avid fly fisherman. We poke a little fun at him, but we have a good time. He just enjoys fishing just like me. So it's, you know, this ought to be a great day.
Marlin would be everything I expect.
Got your forearms ready?
I'm ready.
Hey,
I'm ready.
We'll be right back from Guanamar with some exciting fishing in just a moment. Well, Jimmy, I see deckhand's got the lines out this morning. What kind of baits are we running back here?
We'll run artificials and natural baits. For the natural baits, we'll use Lisa, or in English they're called mullet. And a lot of times the fish are attracted better by the artificial baits. It does a little better smoke behind the baits and it draws them a little better, but they take the natural bait a little bit better. And so a lot of times we'll drop a natural back to them when they come up on the artificial. Sometimes they'll come in blind and take an artificial and hook themselves, and we'll get them that way.
I'm just amazed at this sea this morning, how calm it is. Is this normal for this area, the water stay like this most of the time?
We probably have the calmest seas of anywhere in Costa Rica right here. We got a couple of points that protect us from prevailing winds, and we're just kind of tucked in here in calm seas. We have very, very few days, Pat, that we can't fish.
This is phenomenal. I just don't ever recall seeing the sea this calm. It's got to make for some great fishing today.
Well, I hope we find them today and get them, Pat.
We'll find them. See, we got to build up. Go, 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 go. There he comes.
Oh,
there he comes. There he comes. There he comes.
He's trying, he's trying.
Fish on.
Big sail.
Got a sail going. There he is. He come.
Get him up that way.
Damn it.
Ha ha.
Look at him, greyhound.
Tail walk, tail walk.
Woo. Got him, I got him.
He's getting up.
It's a nice sail, it's a big fish. Give me a belt. There he goes. Woo. Still up, he's still up. He's just greyhounding.
Jump!
There he
Yeah,
is.
big. Woo.
Big sail. Belt. Big sail.
He doesn't like them. Ah.
He's up, he's up, he's up. Didn't take long.
Stay with him.
I saw him come back up on it the second time. He is out there. Oh man, look at him go, look at him go.
Way over there, way over
Oh,
there.
look at the jumps. Oh, he's still going. Still going. Oh, there he is again. It didn't take him long. That wasn't 10 minutes from the time we put them lines out.
Looks like another good one.
Yeah, that's another 100-pounder.
Big one. Grande.
Hanging up on him.
Looks like you're gaining some line.
Yeah, we're backing up on him now.
Finally, after about an hour. Just holler if you want that belt back on. Oh, there's the lure.
Boy, he had a bow in that line. That line was going out the back of the boat.
Yeah.
That fish was 200 yards from where
Way
that line
off to the side.
went in the water.
Here he comes up. Nope.
Okay, belt.
Belt again. Okay. There we go.
Oh, there he goes.
There he is.
He's
Oh!
out. Oh, what a jump.
Big. Man,
What
that
a
thing-
jump.
Another
All
one.
right. Henri, Henri, Henri.
Yeah, wow, beautiful, beautiful jump again.
I'll tell you what,
That's about 10 jumps.
these fish are so lively.
I'm winded watching you. Bear down on him. You know,
There he is.
Yeah. Standing him up.
Oh, he just won't quit.
Tail on a little bit. God, is that beautiful. Man, oh man. I can't imagine anybody not wanting to do this.
There he is again.
Yes.
All right.
Look at him. 100 feet from the boat.
We got him, Jimmy. Good job. There he goes
Yeah.
again. Have you ever in your life
Never. Ever. Well, he's backing down on him fast.
We're gonna get him here real quick.
Well, you're gaining a lot of line.
Got him up pretty close right now.
Yeah, he's... Come on, beauty. You're gaining a little bit.
There's the leader.
He's about ready to come out.
Coming up. Going down.
Going away.
Oh man.
Big one, big one.
Just out fish.
He's got to come up pretty soon.
We're gonna get a look at him here in a minute.
You got all you can on that 30 pound.
There's the leader right there.
He's just saving it for one good jump close to the boat.
Ah, he's going down. Thought we could get him up. We got him coming our way now. Ah, he's going down again.
There he comes! All right!
Woo! All right, there he's staying up.
Woo! Get him! Get him!
What a jump! What a jump!
He doesn't like that hook.
Woo!
Yes, sir.
Was that pretty or what?
Unbelievable.
Man.
Now, the longer he fights, the more colorful he gets.
Yeah. It's a strong sail.
What'd you have for breakfast?
Waffles.
Means it'll be another hour fight.
He's gonna last a little while.
Come on up, baby. All right. There he goes.
There he is.
Woo! Beautiful. Look at those green and blue. You got him turned around backwards. He's got that line wrapped around him.
He's line wrapped right now.
This water is just crystal clear. You can see way down there. Shaking his head.
We about got him whipped, Jimmy.
Just let me know when those forearms start to burn.
Doesn't get my forearms, gets my hands. I got a short hand, so I can't really get a real wide grip on it. Do it, big boy, do it. I can't make him do nothing.
You got all the heat you can on the rod.
Yeah. He's just hauling back there is all he's doing.
Yeah, it's a beautiful jump. He must have jumped.
He stayed up
8
there on top,
times.
just greyhounding across the water. He must have covered 50 yards on his tail.
Big, long, powerful fish.
Do something. Ah, now we're getting close to him.
He's got to be coming up any minute.
Fish never has gone very deep.
They all fight different.
Coming at us, Jimmy. He's coming at us.
Give him some heat. Give him some heat. You're getting them. I'm surprised he hasn't been on top lately. With all the sails you've got, doesn't get boring, does it?
No. Every fish is something new, exciting. Work.
It's a good kind of work, though. It's getting boring.
Not to me.
Getting past breakfast.
a tough sail now. I mean,
Pump them, pump them.
yeah.
Can't rest.
Fish is swimming a lot. A lot. See him going side to side? He's coming around again now.
Shake them up a little bit. Can you get them with short pumps to stop them do that?
Once in a while I can. See, I stopped him right there. And there he goes.
Well, I think I'm going to call for a cool one. Coca? Only one Coke. We got a man here that's too darn busy for another Coke, so just one Coke will do it. He might get
Come
the
on, big
taste
boy.
of the flavor.
Come on.
Gracias, senor. Just think, Pat, this is what's waiting for you.
I moved him that time.
Man, is this good. What are you sweating for?
Breathing hard too.
We want him to get up. Well, Pat, I don't know, it's been an awful long time. I'm awfully tired. I think I'll go and rest. Now I know why they call this the fighting chair. Little Coke, little cushion.
Stow it, Fuchs, stow it.
Watch the man sweat a little. I love it. He just does not want to stop after all this time. Here, he's coming.
I've almost got the leader. Here.
Oh man, here, I'll get it. Good.
All right. Give me a little bit of line. You come unbuttoned. There he goes.
Okay.
All
There
right.
he goes.
There he goes. All right.
Drew a little blood?
Little blood.
All right. Great fight. What a beauty.
Good fish.
See him.
All yours. He's on. He's on.
Okay, wide the other one dead.
You got him, John. You got him, John.
Dave, the fish is jumping like crazy.
Look at him go. He's up.
Yes.
He's
All right.
up.
Number one. He's taking line. Taking a lot of line.
Hang on to him, John.
Okay. Stand up, right? It's my first sail. Do I do anything with the drag?
Huh?
Do I do anything with the drag? All right.
You got him. You got him.
Just like a little bit different than trout fishing.
Did you see him come up behind that bait?
Yeah, just little nose in it, bumping it a little bit. Jump, baby, jump.
He will.
Come on, jump. He's out there about 200 yards at least.
Stay with him. Just pump him. Just pump him. Just pump him. Now,
Not a lot of pull yet.
yeah, kind of feed your line back
and
across
forth?
that with your thumb.
Okay.
You feel comfortable right now?
Yeah, very comfortable.
You got him coming. Just stay on him.
He's
Keep-
not going away yet. Hey, this is a kick in the butt.
Looked like a pretty nice fish when he
Yeah.
cleared the water there. You're doing him all the good.
He's coming, he's coming. God, I love this. More than I expected.
Boy, that was a good take. You could see him good. You could see him really good.
He bumped it like twice and then that was it.
You were right on that one, Jimmy.
I'm waiting for a big run.
He's long ways from being done.
I love it, I love it, I love it.
He was up looked like about 4 or 5 feet out of the water. Stayed up there for a while. You're gonna get some more jumps out of him. I guarantee you will, yeah.
All right.
He's not done. He's just getting started. Does he feel heavy?
He's gonna be nice to me. Not yet, he doesn't feel real heavy.
Well, he's backing up on him. Getting some of that line back.
Yeah. Yeah, real light yet so
Just
far.
pump him. Reel on the way back down. There you go. There
Not
you
a
go.
lot of resistance quite yet.
Doing all the good. Come on, sweetheart. Get up there and let us see you.
Here he goes. He's gonna go. Here he goes.
Well, he's pulling line, isn't he?
Yeah, I can't get any gain on him.
Taking line.
Slowly but surely. I love it.
Does he feel like a big trout?
Yeah, about 5-pounder.
About a 5-pounder? Sure.
No, he's just taking.
I got you. You're just backing up on him.
You got to really watch your reel, don't you?
Yeah, you don't want that line to pile up.
Yeah.
If it piles up and make a hard run on a big fish, that's when you'll break him off.
Short little pumps, right?
Yeah. You're doing it just right.
Come on, jump, sweetheart. See your colors.
He's coming up now.
He's just resting. Come on, baby. Pull.
You haven't hurt him yet.
I got a feeling I'll be getting a little sweat on my brow. Taking a little. Here he comes. Really? No?
He's still backing up on him. Boat's backing up on him.
We're gaining a lot of line. There he goes. No, no.
Just keep good pressure on him.
But if he takes off, just don't worry about bowing or pointing it out. Just keep the pressure on him.
Just keep pressure on him. That's all you got to worry about. The only time he should get off on you is if you throw slack at him.
Well, buddy, you're in trouble here.
You still got him coming. They are such a gorgeous fish to
I
get
want to
on,
see one
I'm
up
telling
close.
you. You're going to like this a lot.
We're really gaining on him now. He's got to come up soon.
He's coming right at us.
Looks like he's coming.
Now, see, don't let that slack loop come down on you in the water. Be sure and take it up as you come back down. He's going.
Taking off to the right a little bit. He's sideways to me.
He's just holding against you is all he's doing right now. You got 30-pound line. You can overdo it, though. Just stay
I'll tell you
conscious.
what, if anybody wants to catch fish out in the ocean, this is the place. Heaven, heaven, heaven. Guanamar, Costa Rica.
Work on him.
Now he's pulling. I can feel him.
Got him?
He's just standing ground.
Yeah. He's going to take off in a minute. We got him in pretty close now.
The suspense kills you on this. You just don't know what they're going to do. He's just circling around. And he doesn't want to come up. Come on, baby, come on.
Ah, there he is.
Yeah, beautiful. I see him.
I can see him now.
He's just looking to see who's
He's got his
here.
head facing away from you.
Yeah, he does. There he goes.
He's coming up.
There he goes.
Coming up. Oh, I thought he was going to jump.
There, he's going to be real close.
There he goes. There he is. All right.
All right, honey. Yes. That's a little bigger than I thought.
You got to look at him that time.
Yeah. A little bit bigger than I thought.
That's a nice sail.
I gained a little more respect here in the last minute. He's just swimming away a little bit.
He's not done yet. You'll see him again. Here he is right here. I haven't seen how we've got him hooked yet, how good he's hooked, but
It looked like it was
I'd say he's hooked
deep.
pretty good.
There he is. He's facing me.
What do you think, Jimmy? How big is he? About 85?
We got to get him in. We got to get him in.
You'll get him.
He's going now.
You lost all that line you gained back.
I had to go forward. I don't like them under the boat.
Yeah, I know.
There's no place for sailfish.
And you don't want me
These
having
fish are really light colored. They really look good in that sunlight.
Yeah, they're lit up pretty.
Was this the outrigger? Twine?
No, that's just grass on here. That's just grass. Just reel it in. Just reel it in. That won't hurt a thing. Just picked up some grass when we were trolling.
Yeah, that goes right on the spindle.
He's staying shallow, isn't he? Do they do that all the
Oh,
time?
a lot of times they will, yeah.
They don't sound like a marlin. Here he goes.
Yeah.
Yep.
You're getting yourself pretty braced up there.
Assume the position, huh? I'm not using that chair because I won't get the last of rising on that.
Yeah, these sails generally don't put you in the chair. You get a big marlin out here, it could be a different story. All these ocean fish are just so gorgeous to look at. So many different colors in them.
He's back. I'm backing him up.
There he is right there. You got him on the backing now.
Oh, man.
You got him whipped now, big boy. Oh, that's a nice sail.
What a beauty.
Look at the sail on this fish.
Woo!
Is that gorgeous or what? Oh. Hey, come on.
There he is.
Yeah. Nice release, though. Hey, your first one. You did a good job.
No,
Did
thanks.
a good job. Good job. Well, it's too bad you didn't get to pet him, but we'll get another one.
All right, I love it. I love it. Costa Rica.
I told you you'd like this. I told you.
I think I could get to like the sport.
We're not done yet.
We call that sailfish aerobics.
That'll heat you up a little bit.
Woo!
That fish put up a good battle. Got 4 nice jumps out of him.
I love it. Is my sweat still showing?
Yeah, it is a little bit. What do you think of that first sailfish?
I think it's a hell of a way to start.
You know,
What a way.
it's really a team effort to
Yeah.
boat these fish out here, and the bigger they get, the more of a team you got to have. When Jimmy was backing down, you were keeping the slack out of the line, everything worked just right.
Well, I thought he was playing in my hands, but he really wasn't. It was just a good captain here.
There
that
you
was
go.
doing a good job.
You'll see if we get a big marlin on today, you'll see how much you got to depend on him
I'll tell you,
to get this boat positioned for you.
it's basically a dream come true. I didn't even expect to go sail fishing, but this is incredible.
Pretty neat to see that fish
Yeah.
come up behind that bait, huh?
Beautiful colors.
Yeah.
But what do we figure, about 90, 95?
Now to 100, maybe that fish might have gone 100. He looked bigger when he went around the corner of the boat.
Well, it is what, the width of the boat?
Yeah.
Almost. All right.
But he had one of the prettiest sails on him I've ever seen. The way that was broken between those, what do you call them, tines in that fin, was just gorgeous.
Well, thank you very, very much.
My pleasure.